In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Jira reports. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go inside one of your projects over here, and then you want to go ahead and click on the More up here, and then click on Reports. Now, in case you can't see this, click on this plus icon and make sure this one is enabled, so the Reports tab is enabled. Once you're in here, to be able to basically create a burn up, sprint burn down chart or velocity report, you will basically have to have a sprint, okay? So in case you don't have a completed sprint yet, you'll only be able to create this cumulative flow diagram, the cycle time report, or this deployment frequency report, okay? So whenever you select the one you'd like to get, simply click on it, and then you will click on got it, and then here you'll be able to basically just select and create your report. Now for me, I have no data in here, so as you can see, I'm not able to actually generate any of these reports. However, when you have some data and when your project is in progress, essentially, you'll be able to just generate your report. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.